Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Edu's daily job updates. Agangli Labs is recruiting 2022 passed outs of BE or btech as software engineer trainee at Bangalore. They're offering an annual package of 6 lakhs. For the details, an application link is provided in the description. Atos Centel is recruiting freshers as trainee engineer. For further details, an application link is provided in the description. Cognizant is recruiting freshers or experienced candidates up to 1 year of any graduation as a process executive to work at Hyderabad. Amphora Software Private Limited is recruiting 2020, 2021 and 2022 passed outs of BE or btech as software engineer or software developer at Hyderabad. They are offering an annual package up to 10 lakhs per annum. For the details and application link is provided in the description. Siemens Healthcare Private Limited is recruiting freshers of BE, btech and mtech as software developer at Bangalore. For further details, an application link is provided in the description. Tech and Light Solutions Private Limited is recruiting 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 passed outs of MCA and MSc for software engineer to work at Bangalore. They are offering an annual package of 3,50,000. For the details, an application link is provided in the description. Amazon is recruiting graduate and post graduations freshers or up to 4 years experienced candidates as account health support specialist at Hyderabad. They are offering 3 lakhs to 3,75,000 per annum. For the details, an application link is provided in the description. Cognizant is recruiting freshers of any graduation as process executive to work at Hyderabad and Noida. For the details, an application link is provided in the description. Amazon is recruiting freshers or any experienced candidates up to 2 years of any graduation as process associative. Number of openings for this job is 100. They are offering an annual package of 2,49,300. For the details, an application link is provided in the description. Before applying any job, please read the job description carefully. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like and share this valuable information with your friends. For the daily job updates, please subscribe our channel.